So far we've talked about two free apps, the Whiteboard Easy and Smart and the Google Jamboard. Now we're going to move on to our third app that is also free, and it is called ShowMe. So ShowMe, the icon looks like this right in the middle here. It has blue font, and you can search for already made videos on the app or create your own on the platform. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. And I can search for any pre-made videos. So you'll say, I'm a teacher. And maybe you're teaching music. You can teach any lesson that has already been created by other teachers. So in some cases, you don't even have to make one. Or if you want to create your own, you'll go up to the top right where it says Create. And you can draw directly on the screen. I love the font on this app the best. It's very user-friendly, really easy to change the color and the font size. You can add images that you want to annotate. So if there was an article and you had an image, you could upload it here and use this for English. You can also type, and you can record your voice over the lesson so that when you're speaking and you want students to hear you as you work out the problems, you can also do this as